Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Mido watches, a brand synonymous with Swiss precision, timeless design, and exceptional craftsmanship. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or simply appreciate fine horology, join us as we explore what makes Mido a standout in the world of luxury timepieces. Let's get started. Number 10. Mido Commander Blue Shade. The Mido Commander Blue Shade is a stunning timepiece that effortlessly blends vintage charm with modern sophistication. Inspired by Mido's iconic designs from the 1960s, this watch features a striking sunrise sateen finished blue dial that captures light beautifully, creating a dynamic visual effect. The 40 stainless steel case is both sleek and durable, making it suitable for any occasion, whether formal or casual. Its signature oversized crown adds a touch of retro flair, while the sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance and clarity. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, the Commander Blue Shade offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance. The watch also boasts a date window at 3 o'clock, adding practicality to its elegant design. Paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet or a leather strap, it exudes timeless style. Water resistant up to 50 meters. Number 9. Mido Multifort Chronometer. The Mido Multifort Chronometer is a masterpiece of precision and style, combining Swiss craftsmanship with a bold, contemporary design. This timepiece is powered by the Mido Caliber 80C automatic movement, featuring a silicone balance spring for enhanced accuracy and resistance to magnetic fields. Certified as a chronometer by COSC, it guarantees exceptional timekeeping performance. The 42 stainless steel case exudes robustness, while the intricate dial design, inspired by the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge, adds a touch of architectural elegance. The sunrise sateen finish dial is available in striking colors like blue, black, or anthracite, complemented by luminescent hands and indexes for optimal readability. A date window at 3 o'clock enhances its functionality. The watch is paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet or leather strap, ensuring a perfect fit for any wrist. With a power reserve of up to 80 hours and water resistance of 100 meters, the Multifort chronometer is as practical as it is stylish. Number 8. Mido Commander Gradient Automatic. The Mido Commander Gradient Automatic is a captivating timepiece that seamlessly merges retro-inspired design with modern horological innovation. Its standout feature is the mesmerizing gradient dial, which transitions from a deep, rich hue at the edges to a lighter tone at the center, creating a dynamic and eye-catching effect. The 40 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, offering a sleek and timeless silhouette that suits both casual and formal settings. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance over extended periods. The dial is adorned with sleek baton indexes and dolphin hands, all treated with superluminova for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. A discrete date window at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its elegant design. The Commander Gradient Automatic is available with a stainless steel bracelet or a leather strap, both designed for comfort and durability. Number 7. Mido Rainflower. The Mido Rainflower is a true celebration of timeless elegance and artistic inspiration. This exquisite timepiece draws its design from the iconic Rainflower ceramic, a symbol of 1960s innovation and style. The dial features a unique textured pattern reminiscent of blooming flowers, creating a captivating visual appeal that sets it apart from conventional watches. Encased in a 38 stainless steel case, the Rainflower strikes the perfect balance between vintage charm and modern sophistication. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, This watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance and precision. The sleek dolphin hands and minimalist hour markers complement the intricate dial design, while a date window at 3 o'clock adds a practical touch. Number 6. Mid-Ocean Star Black. The Mid-Ocean Star Black is a bold and versatile dive watch designed for adventurers and watch enthusiasts alike. Its 42.5mm stainless steel case features a sleek black PVD coating, giving it a modern, stealthy appearance that exudes confidence. The unidirectional rotating bezel, paired with a black Sunray brushed dial, ensures legibility and functionality, even in low light conditions, thanks to its luminescent hands and markers. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, the Ocean Star Black offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, making it a reliable companion for extended journeys. Its robust construction includes a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and water resistance up to 200 meters. Number 5. Mido Commander Big Date. The Mido Commander Big Date is a sophisticated timepiece that effortlessly blends classic design with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique aesthetic appeal. The 42mm stainless steel case is polished to perfection, exuding a refined elegance that suits both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a touch of dynamism, catching the light with every movement. The sleek baton indexes and dolphin hands, treated with superluminova, enhance visibility in low-light conditions, while the transparent case back offers a glimpse into the intricate mechanics of the movement. Number 4. Mid-Ocean Star Decompression World Timer. The Mid-Ocean Star Decompression World Timer is a masterpiece of functionality and design, tailored for globetrotters and diving enthusiasts. This innovative timepiece features a unique decompression timer scale on its inner bezel, a nod to its diving heritage, while the outer ring displays 24 world cities, making it a true world timer. The 44mm stainless steel case is robust yet refined, with a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, the watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and reliable precision. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's a true tool watch for underwater adventures. Paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap, the Ocean Star Decompression World Timer combines practicality with style. Whether you're exploring new time zones or diving into the deep, this watch is a perfect companion for those who demand both performance and elegance. Number 3. Mid-Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch. The Mid-Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch is a perfect blend of rugged functionality and timeless design, crafted for diving enthusiasts and watch aficionados alike. Its 42.5mm stainless steel case is both robust and refined, featuring a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or grey, offers exceptional legibility with luminescent hands and markers, ensuring clarity even in low-light conditions. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's built to withstand the demands of underwater exploration while maintaining its elegant appeal. The Ocean Star Automatic comes with a stainless steel bracelet or a rubber strap, both designed for comfort and durability. Whether you're diving into the ocean or making a statement on land, this watch combines practicality with sophistication. A true testament to Mido's commitment to quality and innovation, the Ocean Star Automatic is a standout choice for any watch collection. Number 2. Mido Multifort Power Reserve. The Mido Multifort Power Reserve watch is a harmonious blend of vintage inspiration and modern horological innovation. Its design pays homage to the iconic Multifort models of the 1930s, featuring a distinctive Geneva stripe pattern on the dial that exudes timeless elegance. The 44 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, offering a bold yet refined presence on the wrist. The dial, available in black or silver, includes a power reserve indicator at 12 o'clock, adding both functionality and visual appeal. Number 1. Midori Commander Big Date. The Midori Commander Big Date is a striking timepiece that masterfully combines classic elegance with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique design element. The 42 stainless steel case is polished to a high shine, exuding sophistication and versatility for both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a dynamic touch, reflecting light beautifully with every movement. Powered by the Midori Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch delivers an impressive 80 hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance over extended periods. Available with a stainless steel bracelet or leather strap, the Commander Big Date combines comfort and durability. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's as practical as it is stylish.